Who doesn't like to get something for free? The Adventist Van Ministry in New York City has been offering a free service to busy, stressed-out residents since 1975. It has reached over 1 million people since then by offering free massages, health checks, and lifestyle coaching. Wellness on the Go is teaching people how to experience life better by improving their mental, physical, and spiritual health. They're taking their services to people on the streets, reaching them where they are, all while putting Jesus' love into action. Others have taken the concept of a ministry on wheels and used a vehicle in creative ways to reach people in big cities. In Panama City, Panama, a taxi ministry is making a positive impression on people. Vehicles are identified by a label that reads, "Safe Taxi, Seventh-day Adventist Church." As soon as passengers enter an Adventist taxi, they are met with a special greeting followed by an inspirational message from a CD played by the driver. The message encourages the rider to love God and to study His Word. On Fridays, the last ride of the day is given free of charge. Drivers use the opportunity to explain to the passengers that the Sabbath will begin soon and that they will be heading home to welcome it. Some schools and communities on the east coast of Australia have been fortunate to visit a one-of-a-kind museum, one on wheels that brings history to life. Dr. Wayne French converted a semi-truck to create the King Tut Roadshow, with the goal of taking this mobile museum to remote areas where schools don't have access to larger museums. In the 3 sections within the semi-truck, visitors are able to view and handle artifacts, including a life-size replica of the Rosetta Stone, a reproduction of King Tut's tomb, and genuine bricks from Babylon with King Nebuchadnezzar's name stamped on them. While entertaining and educational, this unique center of influence has a deeper purpose of introducing individuals to the validity of the Scriptures and to meaningful spiritual questions. Dr. Edward Urbina in Central California, United States, heads up another type of mobile center of influence. The volunteers in this program offer free dental and vision care, following Christ's example of performing acts of service. Mobile clinics are set up at local churches using equipment that is transported in a large trailer. This ministry has a dual reach. Not only are they touching the lives of the people they serve, but also of those they serve with. 1/3 of the volunteers are professionals who are not Adventists. Some become intrigued about why the center offers its free services, and they want to learn more about the church's beliefs. Ellen White stated the urgency of reaching the vast population in big cities. She wrote, "Let not the fields lying in the shadow of our doors, such as the great cities in our land, be lightly passed over and neglected. The present time is the most favorable opportunity that we shall have to work in these fields." Are you inspired to use a vehicle to take a ministry to those in need within your city? Visit the Mission to the City's website for more stories on mobile centers of influence.